Well, you know, before you can do another Cape Ann Photo Tours adventure, you gotta clean the car off. We got about 3 or 4 inches of snow and it's still snowing. Well, maybe even more than that, but we got enough. We gotta clean the car off. What fun. We haven't had snow like this in a little while, you know? Last year, I don't think we got anything that was as much as this. Wet snow. Unfortunately, I wish it was the white stuff. And if I don't get out here, the snow's going to be off the trees. So I want to make sure that I have a couple locations that I want to go to. It'll give me some snow on trees. Just kind of cool. So off we finally go for another Cape Ann Photo Tours photo adventure. So we're headed over to a place called Cape Edge Beach, and I've got some locations that I want to go to over there. It's pretty slippery out. One of the problems with living on the coast is that there can be huge variations in the amount of snow that you get from street to street almost. And unfortunately, I live on top of a hill, so there's a lot of snow. But over on the coast here, I mean right on the water, there is not that much snow hanging on the trees, so it must be really warm here. And where I'm going is right on the coast. I have this one tree that I want to shoot a picture of. Excuse me, and I'm hoping that there's some snow there. We'll see. If not, I'll just have to travel someplace else. So you never know, we might be in luck here. There is some snow around. So, you know, up here, we're on a hill right here. As we go down the hill towards the water, there's definitely not nearly as much snow. What a bummer. Well, we're at the first location. I'm not sure we're going to get anything out of this, but you never know. Shot is this tree in this little shed right here with a bench underneath it. Unfortunately, there's nothing here. So one thing I like to do is I like to shoot seascapes in the snow because it's kind of neat. And we've got a stand of rocks down here off of Cape Edge Beach, and I'm going to take you over here for a little bit of a photo shoot. We'll see how it goes. It's, you know, it's snowing here. There's a lot of snow here, so not a problem with the snow, that's for sure. Just in certain areas, it's just not snowing. I can see the snow is really moving in too. This is going to be great, I hope. That's an interesting sign. Boy, it's slippery. And it's starting to snow like crazy. Awesome. Good thing it's only 32 degrees out. Well, here we are. Cape Edge Beach, and it's snowing to beat the band. Some big heavy bands coming in right now. And I'm hoping that get a shot down here. Unfortunately, it's at the end of the beach. So, but you know what's really interesting about this is that if you don't go out in this type of weather, you just don't know what you missed. So I'm hoping that I'm not missing anything. Oh, these rocks are looking really awesome. Wow. The wind has changed a little bit in direction. It's north-northwest right now. And what it's done is it's made these rocks really interesting. And I'm sure this is probably going to be a black and white image, but I don't really care because it's cool. Look at these rocks. Oh, they're magnificent. Oh, now to find a good composition. Okay, so here's the comp right here. You can see that I've got these leading lines going in here like this, and we're going out to this point out here. So this is another interesting composition I got right here. And I did one over here as well as the tide was coming around the rocks. But with the conditions as bad as they are, you can see the tide coming in here. I don't want to put on filters because it's a real pain in the neck. So it's been really interesting, I will say that. Sorry, didn't mean to lose you. I'm going to head over to a tree over here that I know of. And it's looking really kind of interesting, and I might be able to get a decent composition out of it. We'll see. Well, the tree didn't work out, but the surf sure did. Unbelievable. Well, I got to tell you, walking back is not going to be easy. Woo-hoo. And the tide has really come in here. And my, I think my Osmo Pocket died. So I got some interesting shots, and believe it or not, I actually got some, can't even see. I got some surfers going out. They're kind of far away, but they're really interesting shots. It's a little crazy. Tide's coming in real fast. I'm getting cold. One more comp. You can see here what this composition is, and my hands are freezing off, so I gotta go. Wanted to do some waves, but I'm just too cold. Had too many problems. I gotta get back to the ranch here. I'm frozen, boy. My feet are frozen and the tide is coming in. I'm just gonna make it off the beach. Wow. So I hope I got something good today. I'm not really sure if I did or not, but I sure tried hard enough, and these conditions are really very, very difficult. Batteries dying, so you gotta have plenty of batteries. Probably dressed a little bit warmer than I am right now. I gotta tell you, I'm frozen. My fingers are frozen. So, I'm gonna see you when I get back in the car. Well, maybe I won't. Thanks for joining me. This has been quite the adventure. Another quality Cape Ann Photo Tours photo adventure. A lot of fun. Hope I got some good images out of it. And if you wouldn't mind, check out CapeAnnPhotoTours.com. And if you get a chance, give me a like, a comment, and most especially, please subscribe to the channel, and you might get some more of this stuff. This is a lot of fun, and we'll catch you next time.